Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught here, and I'd like to show you our 2015 Cadillac SRX Premium trim level. You've got 20-inch polished aluminum wheels here on the side on newer all-season tires. Plenty of tread left on those tires. Not going to have to worry about replacing those anytime soon. You've got the fog lamps and forward parking sensors on the front, as well as your high-intensity lights. Now on the other side, you've got your proximity locks on the door handles, as well as side blind zone monitoring. And moving around to the back end of the SRX dual exhaust system, you've got the rear parking sensors as well as your power tailgate. So to open up your tailgate, just double tap the button right here. That's going to open it up and make it easy to get inside. Now once we're inside, you've got the cargo cover back here, as well as your spare tire located down below. So pretty simple. You're also able to drop those seats down nice and flat if you need some longer storage. Now this particular vehicle is Cadillac certified. It's got over under 60,000 kilometers on it as of this recording. You've got the beige leather interior, heated and cooled front seats, guys. You've also got your memory seat settings and power adjustable controls with lumbar. On the driver's door panel itself, wood grain trim, nice beige and black leather. You've also got the one touch down and up windows, as well as your power adjustable side view mirrors and your tailgate button from the inside. So inside the Cadillac SRX, take a look at some of the main selling features you've got here in this vehicle. We're going to start off here on the steering wheel itself. It is leather wrapped, as well as there is a heated option. You've got your cruise controls on the left hand side, forward collision alert right there on the steering wheel, as well as your audio controls over here on the right hand side. Now this digital dash here in the center is configurable if you want to switch that and show your trip counter, your tire pressure, fuel economy, whatever you want. It's fully configurable, those three screens, and that's a pretty great feature here. Now let's take a look at the 8-inch Cadillac Cue System. You've got your Sirius XM radio under audio, as well as a CD player, USB. You've also got Bluetooth phone connectivity, as well as climate controls, which are accessible from the main screen. And of course, you've got navigation, which works really well on this system. Moving on a little bit below that, you've got your hard climate controls, the heated and ventilated seat options for the fronts, as well as your hidden storage compartment. And this is pretty neat. You've actually got a USB port in there, so you could store some items, whatever, charge up your phone inside. That's not going to be a problem. Traction control located right up here. You've got some more storage below, as well as a few more buttons down here. Electronic parking brake. You've got the lane departure warning, as well as toggles to your parking sensors and your eco mode. Now, of course, being a Cadillac, you do have your backup camera with front and rear parking sensors, so that's going to make parking this thing a lot easier. Plenty of space inside the center armrest, as well as your USB and auxiliary outlets down there below. Now taking a look up at the rear view mirror, you do have your OnStar buttons located on here, garage door transmitters and sunroof controls on the ceiling. And take a look at this panoramic sunroof that reaches all the way into the back of the SRX, really nice. Now backseat space in the Cadillac SRX is pretty good. In fact, I've got my seat all the way back right now, and there's still plenty of legroom. But as you can see on the passenger side, obviously if you move it up a bit more, you're going to have even more space for those rear passengers. Not to mention, you've also got rear heated seats and full set of climate controls back here, so everybody's nice and comfortable, as well as your charge outlets down there. So lots of comfort no matter where you're sitting in the SRX. It's going to be great for those long road trips. So overall, with the new XT5s out, there's some great deals on our used SRXs, so I invite you over to McNaught. Come take a look at them for yourself, and our sales professionals would be glad to help you out.